Bonjour à tous, c'est Bouddha et pour cette première vidéo de présentation de gameplay, j'ai choisi de vous présenter le jeu Star Trek tiré du film, qui est sorti il n'y a pas très longtemps. Donc dans les présentations de jeu, je présenterai un peu tout et n'importe quoi, ce qui me plaira, mais pas que. J'essaierai d'être le plus possible ouvert à des jeux auxquels je n'aurais jamais pu penser jouer pour vous les présenter. Les vidéos dureront grosso modo entre 25 minutes et une demi-heure. Juste une petite présentation pour vous montrer comment il est et s'il faut que vous l'achetiez ou pas. Donc moi, bien sûr, je suis fan de ce monde un peu futuriste, tout ce qui est comme ça. Donc écoutez, ce jeu n'a, j'ai lu les critiques et ils en disaient pas que du bien, mais bon, je me suis dit ils sont là pour ça, critiquer ou alors donner un bon avis. Ce jeu n'a pas été très bien noté, je me suis dit bon, c'est pas grave, je le prends quand même et on verra bien. Donc on va commencer tout de suite. Je l'ai pas encore, je l'ai testé, mais juste les premières minutes. Hop, je vais démarrer une nouvelle partie pour que vous compreniez. Hop, ouais, bon, facile. Je connais pas trop bien. Alors j'avais choisi Kirk. Écoutez, hop, je vais choisir Spock. C'est logique. Allez, je vais jouer. C'est parti. Hors ligne. Oui, je vous le disais, j'ai joué, mais vraiment pas longtemps. Pas longtemps, voilà.
Their numbers are overwhelming. Surrender may be our only option. No! Don't give them an inch. Captain, grenade!
Ah, il vous plonge dans une bataille comme ça dès le début. Ah. Ah bon?
It is your move, Captain. I'm aware of that, Mr. Spock. Damn it! Your choice was valid, Captain, but highly predictable. Predictable? Since when have I ever been predictable? That is precisely why the move was predictable, Captain.
Captain, we have received an emergency signal from a nearby space station. Please report to the bridge at once.
Shall we finish the game later, or do you concede defeat? You should know me better than that by now, Spock. I never concede.
Désolé, je suis un peu enrhumé aussi. Donc, ça va être enrhumé en plein mois de mai. Super.
That's the first thing I tried. I'm stumped.
What's going on down there?
The radiation from those binary stars is making communications difficult, but the station appears to be in some sort of distress.
Check off readings.
They're operating on emergency power and are struggling to maintain altitude.
Cause?
Unknown, sir.
Captain, they have issued a request for immediate evacuation.
Then let's help them out. Mr. Scott, prepare transporters.
I wouldn't recommend it, sir. Those stars are giving off too much interference. Unless we achieve manual lock, we might fry those little guys.
And we'll get them out the old-fashioned way. Prepare my shuttle, meet me in the bay.
Aye, aye, sir.
Captain, in spite of your seemingly endless desire to stretch your legs, I must remind you that you are still a Starfleet captain. This is clearly a job that Mr. Scott and a few ensigns could handle.
But then I'd miss all the fun.
Sir, the more prudent choice would be to stay on the Enterprise and wait for a response to our hails.
Oh, you're right. Lieutenant Uhura, any response to our hails?
None, sir.
No, looks like I'm going.
Captain, I must insist.
You insist? You know what, Mr. Spock? A change of scenery might do you some good.
Captain?
You come with me.
Your shuttle's ready, Captain. But do you think it's wise to go yourself? I'm sure me and some recruits could handle this.
Don't worry, Scotty. We'll be fine.
Always makes me nervous when he says that.
God, she's hot in sick bay.
Spock, get suited up.
Voilà, donc comme vous l'aurez remarqué, c'est un jeu de tir à la troisième personne. C'était de l'autre côté. C'est un jeu de tir à la troisième personne, mais dans le monde de Star Trek. Donc après, je ne sais pas si on peut piloter des vaisseaux. Je vous dis, j'ai joué 5 minutes. J'y ai joué 5 minutes juste pour pas arriver pour faire la vidéo sans savoir quoi faire, comment faire et en n'ayant pas réglé les touches.
Captain, the station appears to be outfitted with solar collectors, but they are unlike any I have ever encountered.
Mr. Sulu, do you have any clue what an experimental power station would be doing out here in the middle of nowhere?
Negative, Captain. Whatever they're doing, Starfleet doesn't have any record of it. Preparing for final approach.
Keep the engine running, Mr. Sulu. I don't think we plan on staying on that thing for too long.
Aye, Captain.
Officer, where is the captain of this station?
This way. You must hurry.
Damn it.
Is this the fun you were afraid you were going to miss?
Right. We need to get everyone out of here right away.
Captain, we must find an alternate route.
Very perceptive, Mr. Spock.
Ça je connais, c'est pour ça je suis aussi rapide. Donc l'histoire, j'ai pas trop bien compris l'histoire, j'ai pas vu le film. Rien, donc je peux pas vous expliquer, mais apparemment ça pète avec des bébêtes.
This door cannot withstand our combined efforts.
Stuck in there. Let's get him out of there.
I believe the door can be hacked from this side.
Please, you must be quick.
I am in your debt.
Formalities are unnecessary. Please proceed to the shuttle bay for immediate evacuation. I must mention that many of these crew members appear to be Vulcan.
Your point.
With fewer than 10,000 Vulcans remaining, I question the logic of placing them on any type of experimental power station.
I question putting anybody on this thing, Mr. Spock, Vulcan or not.
Agreed, sir. This way.
Ça là. Ça j'ai quand même galéré à 5-10 minutes à trouver comment ça marchait. Quand on sait pas au début, un peu compliqué quoi.
Must be a way to disable that laser.
Wow.
I need to shut down that laser. Captain, the anomaly and the failure of this station are most assuredly connected.
One catastrophe at a time, Mr. Spock.
Et je me suis arrêté donc ici. Quoi. Ah ouais.
Doesn't sound good.
Captain, I would not advise stepping into that scanner.
No other way around, Spock. Captain Kirk of the USS Enterprise, we have a shuttle ready for your evacuation.
While we appreciate your assistance, our captain and many of our top scientists are trapped in the transporter room on the other side of the station. We cannot simply abandon them.
Any suggestions, Mr. Spock?
If we were able to reach them, Mr. Scott may then be able to obtain a manual lock on our positions.
I'm afraid that may prove impossible. All interior passages are blocked.
Will the suits hold up out there?
With the solar shield failing, direct exposure would mean certain death.
Well, I hate certain death. Spock, let's try to avoid direct exposure.
Captain, I will offer whatever assistance I can over your communicator. But again, I fear that these efforts...
Yeah, we get it. Certain death. Any other words of advice?
Try to live long and prosper.
We should engage mag boots now, sir. The solar collector is failing. We must avoid direct exposure.
That suit is gonna melt off your back. Get into cover, Spock.
Captain, we should stay in cover until it regenerates.
Got it. Wait for it. Go, now!
Laisse-toi, toi. Allez, vas-y.
Find some cover, that's an order.
Take cover.
Là.
It's getting hot out here.
I am uncertain how much more exposure our suits can handle. Captain, stay in cover.
Whose idea was this anyway?
I believe it was yours, sir.
Right.
Attends, ici, là.
Get into cover. Lieutenant, we have reached the station's core. We seek whatever further assistance you can provide.
The only way forward is to shut down the core's rings. To do this, you will need to work together. One of you must scan the control console to stop the ring. This will allow the other person to engage the locking mechanism. Commander, I must warn you, a manual shutdown under these circumstances is highly risky.
Gotcha. We should split up.
I have located the control console. I believe I can scan it to stop the ring. Captain, now would be a good time to shoot the locking mechanism. Success, Captain. We must repeat the maneuver for the remaining rings.
Split up if this is going to work. I've stopped the ring. Spock, shoot the lock. Damn, it's moving again.
When the ring is stopped, that break is exposed.
Another one down. Just one more ring to go. This place is falling apart.
Perhaps a phaser blast would release the mechanism.
That worked. Let's keep moving.
Great, no cover. I believe we may be able to open those vents. Perhaps our phasers will work. Worth a shot.
Tirer sur les bouches. Ah, c'est pour ça qu'il faut lire, faut pas y aller en mode abruti.
Get into cover. Great, no cover. I believe we may be able to open those vents. Perhaps our phasers will work. Worth a shot. It works! Keep shooting out those vents! Oh, Captain, stay in cover. Captain, we should stay in cover until it regenerates. Quick, behind those barriers. Take cover. Captain, wait. This one is still alive. Quick, let's get him inside.
Captain, life support is now at 4% and failing. Transporter is still unable to obtain a reliable signal.
Let me worry about the transporter. Just get your people ready to beam out. What are you waiting for?
I was speaking to my captain.
It's all right, Commander. Do as he says.
Aye, Captain.
Ah, Captain. You don't believe we've met. I'm James Kirk, Captain of the USS Enterprise. And you are?
I am in need of assistance, Captain.
Tamar?
Mr. Spock, it is a relief to see you here.
Tamar, in what way can we assist you?
Our station has experienced a complete loss of power. Our transporter functions are also unreliable. There does not appear to be a safe way to beam out.
There's always a way. Scotty, think you can get a lock on me?
I'll try, sir. What's going on down there, Captain?
That was a wake-up call, Mr. Scott. I need you to work a little faster.
On it, sir.
We should make our way to the transporter, Captain.
Oh, after you. So, how do you two know each other?
We were classmates back on Vulcan.
Just classmates?
I realize this may be difficult for you to understand, Captain, but on Vulcan, relationships between the sexes do not automatically imply an intimate past.
Another reason I'm glad I'm not a Vulcan.
I've got manual lock, Captain. Ready and waiting for transport.
See? There's always a way. After you, Captain.
I will not leave this vessel until my crew is safely out of danger. As a captain yourself, I'm sure you would do the same.
I like this one.
There are a few that you do not like, Captain. Prepare to energize.
Thank you.
Ah, c'est ça pour ça.
The station's not going to hold.
We gotta get back to the shuttle. Run!
Ah, ça a été rapide, hein.
The station's not going to hold.
We gotta get back to the shuttle. Run! Keep moving!
I do not think this station is salvageable, Captain.
Oh, you think so?
There is no time to stop.
No time to watch the sunset. Run!
Ça, par contre, comme ça, complètement. Enfin, les touches pour sprinter, bordel. Pas passé. Voilà, présentation de gameplay pour Star Trek. J'espère que cette vidéo vous aura plu ou vous aura permis de dire si oui ou non vous allez l'acheter. Je sais que moi, voilà, pour les jeux comme ça, j'ai pas hésité. Si vous êtes un fan de science-fiction, de jeux comme ça, je vous conseille de l'acheter parce que des jeux Star Trek comme ça, j'en ai pas vu beaucoup. Donc écoutez, on va se quitter ici. Si cette vidéo vous a plu, mettez un petit j'aime, ça coûte rien, voire abonnez-vous. Je ferai d'autres vidéos concernant je ferai d'autres vidéos, donc une série sur Days Breaking Point, une série où il se passera tout un tas de choses. Je vous réserve quelques surprises. Je ne serai pas tout seul, je serai avec d'autres joueurs, des petits raids, du PVP, donc voilà. Puis d'autres présentations de gameplay, d'autres jeux que je mettrai bientôt. Voilà. Mais écoutez, je vous dis à plus tard. Ciao ciao.